tonight that Arkansas is the highest, with 16.6% of Arkansans saying that they are food insecure. But then right underneath Arkansas is Texas at 15.5%. Then we slip in Mississippi at 15.3%, then Louisiana at 15.2%, and Oklahoma at 14.3%. So when we look at the top 5 states in the country that are food insecure, 4 of them encompass the regions that are in the Southwest region. And when individuals ask why, how did we get here, why are we there, it is a combination of, one, the increasing amount of poverty that we have in this country, and also the fact that much of the legislation that we see passed on when our legislatures are in session is not focused on answers for our rural communities and not focused on answers for our marginalized communities. And so we continue to see legislation in focus that aren't thinking about the greatest needs of the communities that individuals are serving. And so to answer the question, because I know we'll be talking a little bit further, but to answer the question about what food insecurity means, I agree with all of the panelists that have been here about the fact that individuals are having to make decisions about keeping a roof over their heads instead of being able to determine whether or not they can eat that night. And when we see that housing costs are going up, energy costs are going up, everything is going up, grocery prices are going up, we will see a future where more individuals will have to count themselves as being food insecure because they cannot access the things that they need. I would equally say, before I pass the mic, that food insecurity is not just about whether or not you can go out and buy food, it is whether or not you have actual access to buy food. And for those of us that have the luxury of having vehicles and it not being problematic for us to have to drive 15 or more minutes to the local grocery store, think about those individuals in our community that don't have vehicles or don't have the ability to drive.